we going around Alabama. Driver. They said, oh, even it. Connect a little food there, young. All right now. Oh, yeah. Big Caribbean lunch. We're gonna improvise a little something together, yeah? I want you to sing with me. The generation gap, I feel this from I take this eyes on you. But I'm gonna let it come down on the line. So real I can feel it, it's power of love. Have you ever felt? Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. 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 Hi guys. Before we get into the video, I want to explain why this is important to us Caribbean people and what is Windrush. So, Windrush is a ship that brought over 1,000 passengers, including hundreds of Caribbean migrants, to the UK in 1948. It acts as a symbolic anchor for post-war British immigration, cultural diversity, and a well-known political scandal. Then it went on to say, HMT Empire Windrush, the ship, it arrived at Tilbury Docks in Essex, England, on June 22, 1948. It famously carried passengers from Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago, and other Caribbean nations who traveled to the UK to help rebuild the country and fill severe labor shortages following the Second War. And that's why we are celebrating. So, let's get into the video. Mighty! Watch the people start! All Caribbean star, we're gone! We're gone! All Caribbean!
Country within 6, 7, 8 hours.
Yes.
You see, back in the wind rush days,
Okay, so we're going to take the basket down now. We're going to sing some. Take the basket down. The violence in market. But you know something? We should have sing this little song first. You know the Jamaica welcome song. This long time, girl, me never see you. Come make me shake your hand, girl. Make me shake your hand. This long time, girl, me never see you. Come make me shake your hand, girl. Make me shake your hand. Feel head down, cross it down, put it up, pick out the blossom. Make me shake your hand, girl. Make me shake your hand, walk and talk. This long time, girl, me never see you. Come make me walk and talk, girl. Make me walk and talk. Feel head down, cross it down, put it up, pick out the blossom. Make me walk and talk, girl. Make me walk and talk. Sometimes, girl, we never see wheel and turn. Come make me wheel and turn, girl. Make me wheel and turn. Feel head jump, cross it down, put it up, pick up the blossom. Make me wheel and turn, girl. Make me wheel and turn. Big celebrations, big shout outs, big blessings to Lynn Thomas, Grandma Lynn Thomas. She have one more thing to say. Now you hold the basket. What is that? Carry me up. You know they singing this morning. Alright, so listen. Carry me up, golden Sid Market, not a quack. Move your foot, move your foot. Carry me up, golden Sid Market, not a quack to what's said. Why, what a night that about? What a Saturday night. Why, what a night, not a bite. What a Saturday night. You head and cross it down, put it up, pick out the blossom. Let me walk and talk, girl. Let me walk and talk. Now we got to Brixton Market. Cause you know, nobody knows Livingston Market here, apart from us all. Barbados flying fish. We fly out of the bag of that. So we have no fried fish, but we have the avocado. You know, there's some call it with a pear. Now back home we call it pear. Now over here there's the avocado. We never know the avocado because that is shop by the pear and they sell us the pear where you eat. But we never know that it's the avocado. So now we get the avocado, we get to know that it's the pear. So that's the pear we call it pear. That's the mango. See the mango, the big mango there, see. Big mango, the big mango. And then we have, you know, last year I was here, and the lemon. You know, we made the lemon juice back home. The lime, sugar and water are very to make it one of them. And we never can stay thirsty because we always have water, we have lime. Right? And then you know the banana already, you just eat all the banana when you're home.
This is the big Caribbean lunch. It's really beautiful. We're not done. We're not done. We're not done. We're not done. We're having fun.
For everything there's a melody, yeah. For every trouble there's a sweet. Everybody wanna be like me. Let the trouble and the rock with me. You know we know reggae music sweet.
Music time. Entertain the crowd. Entertain. We majesty. May I somebody say loud. Raffle time. Raffle time. And then we get back to the music. Raffle time. And then we get back to the music. Organize it, yeah. With a calmness there. Raffle time, and then we get back to the music. Okay?
1, 2, 1, 2. All right. Wow, wow, wow. SMB are playing us some tunes. Big up the sound system, please. That's right. This is the big Caribbean lunch. We are here celebrating the Windrush generation. We have a raffle. We have sold a few tickets, and we are going to pick 4 winners.
We've got to shut this bit down. All right? But we're going to move you to that side of the square. All right?
Yes.
Where we're going to rock along for a couple of hours with good behaviour, as you have been. But we must move this part, take the furniture down, get the trucks in and the sound system. Have you had a good time? Yeah! Well, this has been the 4th year. And it's the biggest. It's the biggest. So thank you so much. And we really appreciate everything. And, you know, please cooperate with us by moving across to the other side of the square, onto the green. There's going to be no more music playing now. But Mr. Mighty is setting up just now over there. We're going to just wind down nicely. Okay? Agreed? All right, but we are going to vacate this area and the trucks are coming on now. But thank you so much and continue to enjoy the evening. Give yourself a big round of applause. And let's thank Laura Lee for taking us right through. She's
Let's see what happens, shall we? Oh yeah, all right now. Oh yeah, big Caribbean lunch. We're gonna improvise a little something together, yeah? I want you to sing with me. Sing vibes, say I need vibes, yeah, to stay alive. When the sun's done play tune for me to give vibes, stay alive, yeah. Feel the light shining bright, yeah. For the most high tonight, say we're in Brixton, Windrush Square, and we're celebrating, oh yeah. Putting our hands up in the air, I say we're celebrating, oh yeah. Windrush Square, big Caribbean lunch, oh yeah. This one's for the Windrush generation, yeah. Tasha, come now, come give me little vocal, girl. A little vocal with me, say, sing with me, baby. Sing with me, give me vibe, baby. Yeah. It is all beautiful inside, and we got to give thanks to the Most High. We got life, 'cause we are blessed, and we stand on those who carry us. Yes, I am. Newfound love is like a brand new toy. It fills you up, you wanna buzz with joy. When you're in love, it's a wonderful thing. Your mind can rest, you wanna try your best. Prepare a place in your heart. Let love be your reward. A place in your heart. A place in your heart.
Me done with Babylon, me done with Babylon land. Mash up Babylon plan. Love Africa, love
So what do you think about Windrush?
Cook the rice when we go. It was good. It was really good.
It
was amazing.
We enjoy ourselves.
Yeah, we enjoy ourselves till we foot our earth. We foot our earth, we foot our wobble.
Bye.